Taylor thing
Cold VR accidentally reported you.
Yeah.
So, Chris VR, what we're gonna do? So, and you can hide in any map. You just only 2 rules.
Okay.
You just can't go to the dungeons map at all. No
Okay.
dungeons.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, go. And I count to 1 minute, by the way. 1 minute.
Yes! I'm the pet I spot!
This is the
But
first
why
time
is
I've ever been in a fan lobby.
My spot.
Oh, this is my spot, guys.
I'm getting out of the map.
The fuck?
No getting out of the map. That's another rule. No getting out of the map.
Okay.
What, I heard that?
Dang it. That was my plan.
That was my plan too.
What?
I'm kidding.
Oh shit.
That wasn't actually a plan.
That was my plan.
Oh, blood farted.
Wait, guy who joined. Come to treehouse. Come to treehouse. Hurry.
I joined. I'm back. Everybody?
Okay, come to treehouse. We're playing hide and seek.
Oh.
No hiding in. The rules are no hiding in dungeons map and no getting out of the map. And there's 30 more seconds.
Already?
Wait, I'm scared. Yeah. I have like the worst spot. Sure. Just go. No. Wait a second. Hey, lava, come to treehouse. Lava, come to treehouse. Coming. Lava. Treehouse. Lava, come to treehouse. Chris, you gotta move. Chris, don't tag him. Okay, we're playing hide and seek. Come to treehouse. Chris, VR, hide. No going in dungeons map and no getting out of the map. We're playing hide and seek. So, yeah, we're playing hide and seek tag. Chris, run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tiger's tag.
Did everyone seriously hide in here? Why is everyone in here?
Someone guard the entrance to canyons. I can smell all of them.
Yeah.
Got you.
No, we're all gonna get tagged because of everyone crowding this Dude, they died. They just died.
Hey, buddy.
There's one more person in.
Hi.
Come here, blood. What are you gonna do?
Pink is trying to hide.
I'm trying to run. How did you miss? I got blue. I got cyan. I got cyan.
Guys, that was the worst spot ever.
Yo, Pink's up there.
Pink's where? Where's Pink?
Pink's up there. At your mom's house. He's on zipline.
Blood. Hey, what are you doing there?
Blood's
My
on
mom's
zipline.
house.
I'm going to.
No, I missed!
Come here, blood. Come here.
Mr. Boombastic.
Bombastic side.
Come here. You wanna know something? Our specialty is climbing ropes.
Yeah,
Wait.
seriously.
Yes.
Him through the entire thing.
I did something.
And got away with it. No, I didn't.
No, you did not.
Did no one tag him yet?
What? Greatest escapes of
Dude, I think I just shorted my pants. Oh my god.
He probably did though.
You heard me?
Come on, Pink.
Got him.
Yes, finally.
Dude, did
Bro,
you see that
someone
though? I
could've
jumped
escaped.
straight at him.
Bro, you literally just gave me a heart attack.
Alright,
Blood
hold on,
tried to
guys.
escape.
Watch this.
Blood tried to.
Before we go,
No way,
guys, watch how
Blood.
fast I can climb this rope. You ready?
Wait, did you say before you go?
No. Before we go, look for more people.
Oh,
Wait, what are we
Okay,
playing?
let's go find blue and light blue.
What are we playing?
okay, go for them.
Let's
Search
go see.
everywhere.
We're playing
Everyone
hide and
spread
seek.
out
We're
though.
playing hide and seek tag. Hide and seek tag.
Oh, okay.
How many people are in this lobby?
2
Probably
minutes.
10.
9, I think. Okay.
Dude, check for dungeons
Checking
because I'm pretty
dungeons.
sure someone might be in there.
We can't go in there.
I know.
You can't hide in there.
I'll check
No,
mine.
there's no one in dungeons unless they're like a little stinky liar.
Everybody,
They're
here.
like those
Some
liars.
people come with me into
Oh.
mines.
Oh, hey, I wouldn't
What
recommend
the
hiding in
hell?
mountains.
Wait,
'cause
there's a
as you
sign
guys all
here
know,
too.
Mountains is my
There's
specialty.
one here.
There is?
One where?
Wait, who's
Oh,
inside? Is
no.
anybody inside?
Yeah, everybody, like a bunch of people are.
down here.
Oh, check parkour, check parkour.
No,
So
no,
how
no.
many people?
Wait,
are
I'm guarding entrance. People.
Said one. I'm in dungeon.
No, he said also a few people.
How? There's only 2 people.
I hear somebody.
Only 2 people left.
That was me. Me too.
I can smell you.
I can smell your balls.
I can smell
Yeah, you probably can.
Check third floor.
Come on, bro, you gave me a heart attack a couple minutes ago.
You check third floor
No.
second.
Nobody's in mines or caves.
Me and Bradley are friends now.
Okay, then we'll both check it, cause they
Hold on.
just said someone was in caves.
We thought wrong. Check clouds, check clouds.
No one's allowed.
Oh,
in
yeah,
here.
someone's...
What the heck? Wait,
Clouds?
checking these, cause
What
see,
the
people are like
freak?
devious.
What is that? I can see the deep
Eagle eye.
Devious little ones. Or
I don't see anybody.
Yeah, there's no one.
Hold on.
Wait. It could be.
Is there anybody smushed in between the tree
Who?
and
No, I'm
like?
just kidding.
Where are they?
I don't care.
They're probably like smushed in between the tree.
Check behind here.
Where's Blizzard? Blizzard, where are you?
What is this? I'm in city.
Come here.
Hey, so guys, I'm just playing with Blizzard, and yeah.
My favorite thing is doing fan
He's
lobbies.
upstairs.
I'm like join 45 minutes. And then people like a ton of people join, and they're like all waiting
It took
for
you
me.
a while to join in here.
Yeah, 'cause you forgot to put the code.
What
that
are
we
you
were
running
in.
glitch?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Frick.
Not right now though, because this is a fan lobby.
Oh, frick.
All right.
Yeah, me and Blizzard decided to make one
No, he's in parkour. He's in parkour.
together. Yeah.
What? We checked in there.
We
He's in parkour. I just heard a voice in parkour.
We checked there though.
Dude, he's gonna be at the end.
Alright,
of
this is what I do with my hide and seek rounds. Final 2, say something.
Wait, how do we know if we're hiding? Oh, he's right there.
Where?
Hi. I was just kidding.
He's not in parkour.
He's not perfect.
I knew that because me and Wilson here.
Everyone be quiet, everyone be quiet. Last 2 people, say something. Say beans.
Beans. I know where he is. I know where he is.
What did I tell you? Canadians then.
No, he isn't.
No. Oh, I think I found him.
You should get them to say where they are,
Nope.
so that we know which map they're in.
Okay, say the map that you're in.
Yeah, they are. You mean real scary cats?
We're reporting you. Say the
Grand Canyon.
Bro, guys, we need to add something because people keep joining.
No, that's
No,
a
it's
good thing.
Fun. That's good. That's a good thing.
Yeah, boy.
There's 10 people in this
Now you
lobby.
just joined. We're playing hide and seek
That's a
tag,
good-
and we're trying to find the last 2 people.
Okay.
Wait, how do we know
Insane.
if we're tagger or seeker?
Because
tagged.
tigers
If you're
are lava
tagged,
monkeys.
you're not retard. There's no lava monkeys. Then how the fuck do you?
Yes, there is.
Lava monkeys.
Oh. There is
For
lava.
him, on
Because
you have a
screen
glitch on your
is-
screen.
Ah,
Where are y'all, bro? I cannot find y'all. Where are y'all?
half of us
Where's
are in
Dad?
canyon. I bet you some of them are in forest.
One guy said he was in Canyon.
Oh, I found him! I found him! I found him! He's hiding in the bottom. He's running! He's running! Go to canyons! He's here! He's going to the entrance of the canyon! He's going to the entrance of the canyons!
Blood thinks he can run away.
Did he get
I know where light blue
I told you
is.
he's
I
in
know
it.
where light
Yeah,
blue
no
is.
tag.
Follow me.
Guys,
Guys,
Where is
I was
he?
right next to light blue. Follow me. Follow me. I know where he is.
infection for me. Yeah, see, it doesn't show infection.
Okay, then just leave and rejoin if it doesn't show infection.
you was
there's
Guys, he's leading all of you to where I was.
I see him.
Bro.
I see him. Guys, I see him.
Was he in
Yeah,
like
I
the
know, I'm
barrel or
running now,
something?
'cause Blue was
No, he wasn't.
And then he said he was
Go to
gonna
the
lead
entrance,
all
go to
of you
entrance.
my spot.
Someone guard the cannon. There's infection for me now.
Bye.
There we go, we got him.
Wait, what are we playing? What are we
Hide
playing?
and seek.
Leave and rejoin.
Okay.
Hide and seek?
Hide and seek. Okay, cool. Go to the
Yeah,
gazebo.
guess
Go.
who's I'm just tag actually.
The one and
Well,
only.
if you're it, go to gazebo. Go to gazebo.
Wait,
Lizard,
What's
come to
gazebo?
stump.
Alright, no, actually, everyone else hide. Count
Hi,
to 1
Blizzard.
minute. Lava's
Hi.
coming through. Lava's coming through. Get out of the
Come on,
way. Get out of the way.
Blizzard.
Lava's coming through.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, stop. Don't tag no.
Don't tag anybody. Go into the gazebo.
He'll show you what to do.
wait, give me a
Count to
second. I
1
need to
minute.
charge my Oculus.
Count
Okay,
to 1
then
minute.
check
No going in the dungeons map or going out of the map.
Blizzard,
Count
let's go
to
up.
1 minute
Lizard, come here.
in the treehouse.
Lizard, follow me. Lizard, follow me.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait, I need to charge my Oculus. Give me a second. I'm not looking.
9.
How did it go?
You can't be in the dungeons map.
Somewhere in. What?
You can't be in dungeons map or out of the map.
Is it hide and seek and tag?
Hide and seek tag.
Alright.
What are you at?
We're dead.
42, 43, 44, 45,
Lizard, where'd you go?
48, 49, 50. I don't care what you think. I'm coming for you, and you're gonna die.
Lizard, say something.
Alrighty, we're coming.
Something.
I hear you. We have a little thing. That hurt. Okay, I'm better.
Who is out on the map? I swear,
because I'm the son of our racist, they want to sound like give some cheese.
Lizard, did you
I
know out where we are?
She better just as baby got the tucker for really after I'm not gonna let you become a balance, but I'm such a lump.
Bro, my boy's speaking some gibberish. I'll be here.
Oh, sorry, I just heard my baby voice.
Oh.
I just joined.
Someone hide.
Oh,
Me,
no.
Blizzard GT. I have your fan.
Oh my god, it sucks. My controller.
Where
Green's running into canyons.
Shut up, monkey.
Green.
I'm not toxic now.
Somebody teach me. I saw Blizzard GT, but I don't know where he went.
He disappeared into the back rooms, that's where he went.
Oh, Blizzard.
Where's Peyton? Because I'm gonna punch him in the head purposely now.
I know, just good place.
I hit somebody in for it.
Hey, winning the racing.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Vacation.
Shut the freak up.
God, arms hurt.
Who dares me to say? Who dares me to say where everybody is?
Dude, I chased
My
him in my
arms hurt
life.
so bad.
Dude,
Oh,
I
Somebody's
smacked my
out of
head
the
on the
map, I
piano
think.
in my house.
Really?
crap! I accidentally
cheating.
made it out of the map. My arms hurt. Someone's out of the map. I know it.
Cameron, you have to tell me if you're coming into the living room or
Guys,
not.
let's go to mountains. Everyone else is blue. Everyone else is the color blue, so they could be mountains.
No.
Cameron, get out
Good
of the
mountains.
living room.
Blizzard GT, I know where he's at. I have his
How do you
family.
climb the rope so fast already?
Oh, you just gave it all away.
You are him? Let's go to mountains.
why would you
broccoli.
Why would you say, how do you climb the rope?
Because there's so many blues. I feel like at least two
Blizzard,
gotta
I
be
thought.
here.
And plus, is Blizzard not tagged?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I have
He left.
He left. Why'd he leave?
Oh no, but I gotta go.
Because of your mom.
I think he lagged out.
I'm
I
gonna
think he
ban
lagged
Lobby
out.
earlier and the host left. What? No, please don't.
He left for good, guys.
No. No.
I found you.
He left because of you guys.
Please
No,
don't.
he didn't. He just left.
Stop lying. You made him leave.
He's back, I think. Yeah, he's. Wait, no. Yeah, Blizzard's gone for good. He left.
No.
Blizzard's gone for good. No. I just joined. No one's out of the map. Blizzard left.
You don't exist. You take a break and talk about this. When you smell like this, huh? They're the kid. Gotta build them inside my hand. Gotta be ready. Play the robot spin. I'm the burger man. $1,000 double that. And it's your buddy game. Flawless. I get things I get ripping the cookie because I'm the cinema wrist to say when the sound no kids some cheese I thought I bug on my mother. My Android video says me if I got that jug ever really I'm trying to look at that city because I'm being on tape I'm to tell I'm trying to see. Have time go turn it on. Guys, everybody listen. I have an announcement. Blizzard just now texted me from TikTok and said that his Oculus died. Oh no.
Bro, why would you hook the fan mob when your Oculus isn't even charged?
Exactly.
That sucks. I'm mad.
Do we just sit here and
Does
wait?
anybody want to play mini game? I'm kidding. I want to play.
Guys, am I the only one left?
For the people that are in here, do you
Wait,
want
my
to
last
watch
in
me
hide and
Walter
seek?
follow a map?
I'm
you
still
can't
in hide and
steal
seek.
fun. Dude, I can also. I can do it with normal monkey easily.
Yeah, I've done it with normal monkey a couple times.
Oh yeah, go to mountains.
Pink, are you the one who can wall surf out?
Yes.
Same.
I don't know how to wall surf out.
Hold on, I'll be right back. You wanna join a private?
Oh, dang it.
Yeah.
Hello?
I absolutely suck at wall
Are you
surfing.
here for the fan lobby? Because you're way late.
Yeah, I know.
He already left. He left his Oculus stuff. In my hand.
Even fully charged. How'd you do that? I'm gonna escalate.
Looks like.
Guys, I have 2 bowls.
When did I be? What?
Oh wait, no, you 4. Wait, pick up the other one. Wait, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4.
I have 4 balls.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Dude, I can't let go of the...
Why can't you let go of your balls?
I can't.
Yeah, why can't
Pineapple, put your hands up. I have to tase you down. I messed that up a lot.
Guys, I suck at wall surfing and I can't even get on a target.
Yeah,
I
I
tried
messed
to try
that
it
up
out.
so bad.
No, that's stuck.
What the heck? Do you want to see me wall surf out of the map?
I might be able to right now.
Oh
what
my
is going
gosh.
on?
I had that glitch.
No,
I
my
keep
frames are
messing up.
horrible, bro. I am lagging.
Can somebody like maybe like teach me a little bit? Cause I absolutely suck at at wall surfing.
Because my computer's broken.
Bro, I'm so laggy, bro.
Pink, do you have a TikTok?
It offered me to take me to the bios. Here.
Wait, do you post like wall surfing videos? Yes. Then I should follow you.
That's what I do. I post like.
I only have 12 followers and I have not posted a single video.
Hey, do you want to go into private and wall surf?
Sure.
We are in a private
Okay.
wall surfing.
Yes, but we need rock.
We don't need it. Stick me out.
I'd rather have rock. Well, I mean, like you can have it.
I can leave. Okay, the code is done. And I'm gonna restart my headset, okay? The code is done.
What's the code? Done.
Alright. Done. This right here. Done. Then I will restart my headset and then I'll get back on, okay?
Alright.
Join.
Holy crap, yeah, come on.
Wait, what's the code?
I really don't know. Done.
Are you good at wall surfing?
Try to get to the...
Because I absolutely suck at it. I can't even get the target. I might be able to. No. I absolutely suck at it. I'm so bad. I'm like the worst at wall surfing. Like anybody, like a lot of people can do way, way, way better than me. Yellow, do you have a TikTok?
Yeah.
What, do you post like videos about like wall surfing and stuff or no?
Sometimes.
Or is it most just like, just normal or just real tag videos? I only post like, YouTube real tag videos. I'm making one right now. So. No, oh no, please, oh no, I suck. I'm so bad at wall surfing. Like, can Blizzard just join back? Like, Blizzard's the GOAT at wall surfing.
It's indicted.
Like, everybody left. There was like 10 people in this code. Yeah, now there's only one. So, that's absolutely great. Am I gonna actually hit the target the first time? No! No, guys, did you see how close I was? That's like the closest I've ever been to target. Ever. Why? Like, I don't know how I do that. Like, I always mess up like right earlier. No. No. Don't glide down. Don't. No. You guys need to tag me videos on how to like wall surf, cause I'm good everywhere else except for right there. Like I can't jump that ramp. I just can't jump that ramp right there. Maybe it's possible if you do this. No, not at all. Maybe if you're just like really good at it, you could. Guys, if you want to join this code, it's called Blizzard. It's Blizzard. So, yeah, if you're done watching this video, then you can. Because I'll be hanging out in here for about like another 25 minutes or 30. Hope you guys see it, though. God! Bro, I suck. Like, so bad. Is that thing still where you can like go like this and whoa? I did that a couple of times whenever I had 2 arms. That was the good old days. Like I started whenever the music thing, I'm pretty sure that was like 300 and something days ago. So I saw a TikTok about that the one time. It was like, oh, 400, 300 something days ago the music thing is. And that's whenever I started playing. But of course, I didn't buy anything because I was a noob and I was hardly got on. And then I played for the summer and I got a popsicle. And then I had a bunch of other stuff. I think wait, do I have the bubble gun? I'm not good, I'm pretty sure. I just can't get it because it's on this arm. You can't, it's impossible to get it on that arm. If you have, yeah. Maybe anybody could wall surf by doing this, just kind of yeet. And wee. Blizzard probably could because he's so good at wall surfing. Just go a little bit. Go yank, yank. Oh, yeah, no, yes. Kind of, yes, I don't know. If I don't make this, then nobody has to subscribe. Well, if I just can't mess up right there. Okay, good, you know how to subscribe. I don't really care if you do. I'm trying to get at least to 100. Because, yeah. I think I have 19 right now. Last video didn't get, so it wasn't so hot. Got maybe I think 11 views. Oh, you can please help me out with that. It's so hard to get YouTube famous than TikTok famous. Because I know so many people that are TikTok famous. Like my friends. They have like 85,000. They have like 4,000 not subscribers. Followers on TikTok. They're just not fair. So I want to flex to them how much subscribers I have. So if you can help me out and just leave a like or subscribe to my channel. So I'll be playing, oh no, I'll post probably about a video every other day. I'll try to. But if I have baseball going on, then it probably won't be. It'll be really, really hard. And then whenever football gets in, it's gonna be super hard. Posting every other day. So, yes, this actually looks good. This one looks good. Okay, I think I might make this one. Got a perfect amount of speed. If I just can't mess up here, please don't mess up, please don't mess up. No, I didn't. Bro, I shouldn't have hit. Okay, this is what happens. You cannot, like, you have to get it like a perfect amount. Please? Okay, this looks good. This looks really good. This one looks really, really good. No, I suck at this game. Oh, what? Well, okay. Anyhow, if you want to go subscribe to my friend's YouTube channel, my TikTok channel, it's TDK. No, it's Jace Flower. At Jace Flower, just that. Go take him a follow. He posts girl tag and soccer videos and baseball. So let's go try to give him a follow. This is looking real good. Real good. Did you see how high I was on that? Okay, I can't mess up right here. Which I didn't. Please don't mess up right here. Okay, I'm in. No, I touched it. Let's go. I touched it. Yes, yes. Okay, now this time I just got to. Okay, yes. No, crap. It's not even worth it. Okay, so this is. People said that this is hard too. This is probably way harder. No, wait, they're probably like the same. Cause that, I just suck at steering and stuff, but. No. This is looking real good. No, it's not. It looks horrible. This is looking real horrible. This is gonna look way worse. Yep, I told you. Actually, that was kind of clean. That was actually pretty clean. This is not clean at all. At least I tried like doing this. Probably won't work. Actually, it might. Yeah, that's not working. It's looking real good. No, I almost touched it again. Crap, I love this. I love Gorilla Tag. It is so fun. And I love posting videos. Because, yeah. Yes, sir? Yes, sir. This one's meant. No, I don't have power. I've got 2 in a row that I've been super good at that freaking target. And I've been practicing. Now, it was a while in the past. Yes. 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 No, that's not good. I thought that was good. It looked like I was going really fast for some reason. No, I didn't want to do that. Maybe I did. No, I didn't. What the heck just happened? I was looking at my hand just to make sure I did it right. Oh, frick. I absolutely, like my one friend Blizzard, he's like really good at wall surfing. Especially, what just happened? Okay, I'll show you another trick that I have. Like this is the only one that I really know. Okay, this is probably not glitch anymore, but if you go, then you just see in, yeah. So, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video. Well, no, everyone. I will, try one more. Have one more try. Well, no, one more. Until I actually get it good. Okay, I'll just do one more, and then I'll end it. Okay, that's probably gonna be it, so bye.